They told me to keep calm, to stay grounded, to stay balanced. But I was never meant to be stable. I was never meant to fit into the world's idea of normal. I was born in the rupture, born for the shift. I wasn't made to be steady. I was made to shake everything. When I train, the earth complains because every rep is a fault line forming. Every breath is pressure building. It's not just muscle, it's a force. It's a storm that's ready to break free. The ground beneath me cracks. The air trembles. Because I'm not here to be gentle. I'm here to break the earth. I'm here to break through every barrier. I'm not afraid of the quake. I don't run from it. I don't hide from it. I am the quake. I am the one who brings the tremors, who shatters the ground beneath me. I don't need the world to stay still. I need it to move. I need it to feel the energy I'm building. And if you feel the ground shaking beneath you, you know what comes next. Start lifting or start running. I don't move quietly. I don't work in the shadows. When I lift, the ground moves. When I breathe, the world feels the pressure. There's no hiding from the shift. There's no ignoring the rumble. Because I don't just train, I shake everything around me. And I don't care if the world is ready for it. It's happening, whether they're ready or not. So if you feel the shaking, you better be ready. Because the quake isn't stopping. It's only getting stronger. And if you can't handle the tremors, then step aside. Because the earth doesn't wait for anyone, and neither do I. I am the quake, and the world will tremble at my feet. You've survived another transmission. Impressive. If you crave more pain, more truth, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Bleed those thoughts into the void. The ritual continues.